my channel. I'm Debby and I discovered a new series on Netflix this summer. I love it so much. I'm falling in love with the series. It's called Little Witch Academia. I'm fall in love. I recommend you to watch it and let me know your favorite character in the comment. Of course, my favorite character is Akko. Like, yes, I love it so much. And this is a fan art from my OTP, Akko and Andrew. I really hope you enjoy this drawing. Please guys, support my channel with a big thumbs up. And as always, click the little bell to the notification on your phone or on your email. And of course, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Click the little button down here. And so yes, let's get started with the video. So yes guys, as always, don't forget to follow me on my social media to connect with me, my life and my updates, new things on my socials, and I can receive all your messages on your live. Thank you so much guys for your support on my social media. It's so important for me. And yes, we will see in the next video guys. Love you. Ciao.